What other words?
Fargo.
Fargo. Oh, Wells Fargo. That's
Well, what's the origin? Is it Wells Fargo? It's like
Fargo is trying to be an insult.
it's like trying to insult your buddy,
Trying to
but
be not uh ignorant. It's trying to be ignorant, but not like rude.
no, we're not trying to be ignorant. It's trying to like insult your buddy without being rude to him.
Yeah.
That's what I would say it is.
Yeah, it's a very like relaxed way to make fun of each other.
Exactly.
Fargo. It's
Which
also
I
like,
think I think most of our slang is like making fun of, but still like lightly making fun of.
yeah. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Like Fargo's ours, I guess. So I guess we made that one.
Yeah,
What else?
far.
Fark.
Oh.
What?
That's the simplification of Fargo.
With a Q. FARQ.
Yeah, Fark.
What else? Let's think of some more slang. Oh,
Card.
if you had, what about everything I wrote on your birthday gift?
There's a lot.
There's a
I can
lot.
read some of them. I can read some of them.
You have it? Oh, you took pictures of it, huh?
Picture. I need to charge my shit.
All right. I'll explain in the meantime. His birthday earlier this year, I bought him a gift, and I wrapped it in just normal white paper, A4 paper, on both sides, and then I just put our slang, all kinds of slang that we use, all over it. Yeah, you can't really see any white. It's just completely covered in slang, so there's a lot on it.
Yeah, I'll show you the image real quick.
I mean, there might be some stuff that you shouldn't show, but
I'll read some out then.
all right.
True.
Might not be some family friendly stuff.
Might not. All right. All right, let's see here. I definitely took a picture of it, but it's like there she is. All right. So the main ones are like things that we can't even say.
All right, like, what can you say?
Cheesed. Man's
Uh,
cheesed.
still Toronto. Okay.
When someone's pissed, they're cheesed.
Yeah, I guess we'll explain whether they know it or not. We'll just explain all of them.
So if I'm like all bugged out and I don't want to talk to my mate.
Yeah,
I'm just cheesed.
you're cheesed. Yeah.
And it's something that'll only last a couple minutes.
Huh?
Ting.
Okay, so this one we actually changed. Like this, we don't use ting the way like they would use it in Toronto.
Yeah.
A ting is a girl in Toronto.
Is a girl. Like a
But
side
we use it.
side ting.
Yeah, we don't use it that way at all. At all.
Oh, we don't.
We use it like it's just like light.
Use this for that word.
There's so many, but like I guess the way we use it, we always say easy ting, so it's like a
it's
it's
like
something
saying
easy.
thing, but being dumber or being stupid.
No, but you wouldn't say easy thing. It's like easy work. It's like light work.
Yeah,
So
light
that's
work.
how we
Like,
use it.
easy thing. It's also an easy word to say. Ting.
Ting, 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 ting. All right, what else?
Ting's also a very nice name. Greasy.
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 Like it looks sick. Like something looks really cool. Like it's wavy. Like it's
We haven't
greasy.
used that very much. I think that's a Toronto thing.
Yeah, we don't use that too much.
We use grizz.
Grizz is our thing. Yeah,
This is our thing.
should I pull it out?
This is grizz. This This is the trend. We both went to Uniqlo. Like
We
how
got matching ones.
was that 2 years ago?
We got it before. We got it before the trend, mate.
Before the trend.
We got as well.
People today in Soho are wearing this.
Yeah.
Kanye is wearing this today. Everyone's obsessed with these retro fleeces, but we went to Uniqlo and they had this sale because like no one would buy this for men.
You know how many times I got made fun of for wearing this?
Yeah.
People calling it a grandma sweater, and then fucking afterwards, when the trend started, everyone's like, "Oh shit! Oh, I want one of those."
I know. I get compliments on it still.
Yeah.
That's grizz. Or
That's grizz.
Yeah, like a fleece. Although I really want a Patagonia fleece. Those are bomb. With little cute little pocket. Everyone's trying to copy that. But Patagonia made that a while back. Squaw.
Okay, we don't use that. I just wrote it. We don't use squaw.
A lie.
We use this a lot. This is Toronto based. It's like saying right. So I'm gonna ask you, huh?
Yeah, it's right. You're now
like right. It's like saying right at the end of a sentence, like
yeah.
Is
it a lie? Obviously not.
But like sometimes the way we'll do it is that we'll use like only one word before saying it.
Yeah.
So like
it's spelled AHLIE.
Yeah.
Lie.
So like if I said like I'm hungry, give me an example of how you'd use it. Like poke a lie, blaze a lie.
Okay, a lie still.
Easy. Our verbiage is very quick.
Yeah.
Very short and quick to the point.
It's about minimizing and making the English language more efficient.
Like to the point where other people don't understand what we're saying.
And that's a part of the function of our slang.
Exactly.
It's that people don't get it or they have to work hard to get it to be our friend. Because that's what a true friend would.
They have to learn it. We don't teach anyone. We don't teach it to them.
We don't teach it.
That's something when we had roommates for the past 3 terms.
They had to pick up on it.
They're good friends with us, but they had to pick up on all our slang. We didn't teach them anything. We just kept using it, and they eventually got it.
Yeah. Still.
What else?
Oh, and still is spelled STYLL.
Yeah, it's like the normal still, but it's like
I don't know.
Huh?
If you want to be a little loose, a little CL, you just say STYL.
If you want to be even shorter.
Yeah.
Or quicker, not shorter.
Bear.
Bear
a lot.
Exactly. Toronto origin again means a lot. It means like
a bear cash in my wallet still.
Yeah, a lot of cash. Or if you're bare, like you're very, very full. I'm bare full. Like I'm very
full.
My stomach is very satisfied. You know.
Yeah.
So it's kind of the opposite of barely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here's a strong redirection. Chin chin wadaisuki.
That's from us. We didn't make it.
That's something that's something
Frank, right?
Very well in our palette. That's a color in our palette that just complements everything. Let's just leave it at that.
Just fucking next one, man.
Snake.
I think everyone knows what snake means. You're a snake.
You're a snake. Ways.
Oh, this one's this is from a suburb of Toronto.
Wow.
Oakville.
Yeah.
It means what are you saying? And
Ways,
I think
but for us, Waze has like some different connotations. Like Waze is like the stupid app that I use for like my directions.
Yeah.
It's like Waze though.
No, we don't use it that way.
But we say Waze as in like what are you saying? Because that's like those are the letters. That's the acronym.
Yeah, that make up
Waze is just a way easier way to say it.
And then what are you saying means like what are you doing? Like what are you gonna do next? Like what are you up to? What are your plans?
And then to simplify it even more, we say waters.
yeah. So that doesn't really simplify it, but it's like
that's our thing.
That's our thing where it's like water. We just say just water. That's our thing. Like
water.
People don't get that.
We'll say water to someone
Yeah.
in public.
Because instead of shortening what are you saying to ways, we just shorten it to what are. And what are sounds stupid, so we just say water.
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 Exactly. We just smooth out this shit. We add fillets everywhere.
Fillets.
Fillet gang.
What's a fillet? I don't think half these people know what a fillet is.
A fillet's when you have a strong box that you design, and you just
No.
round those fucking edges.
Yeah, a fillet is a rounded edge.
That's it.
That's about it. No, to be more specific, it's a rounded edge that meets with a tangent surface.
Yeah. But I prefer my blended edges.
Yeah, he likes blended edges.
Where it progresses.
That's curvature continuity. Curvature continuity is different from tangential continuity, but we'll get into design stuff later.
Yeah. It's about light and shit.
It's about lighting. It's about why people are so attracted to this device.
Yeah. Very guide curves. A lie.
A lot of guide curves.
It's for a different day. Yeah, so waters. And then that brings us to sparkling and still.
I guess that's full circle. Sparkling or still?
Which one do you prefer?
Always still. Always still.
Unless you're bougie.
Not even then, it's just still.
A little bougie night still, like, no? I was just thinking, yeah. Oh, yeah, no. You're...
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Oh, so that one's crazy. That one's crazy. Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. No,
So
yeah.
if I said, let's get some chips, mate might just reply saying, yeah, no. And then what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to do
head
that?
tilt. Yeah, no.
Yeah, maybe a little head tilt or maybe like a little, I don't know. And him saying, yeah, no means like, that's obvious. Like, we're going to go obviously.
Without a doubt.
Exactly. It's like without a doubt. It's like,
Well, it's no, yeah.
that's what it means.
It's the same exact meaning, isn't it?
Is it? No, yeah.
It's sarcastic.
What about yeah, you're? What about yeah, you're?
Yeah, yours a way different word.
That one is when, let's say, he got really angry at me, right? Or he said something.
The reflection.
It's just an instant reflection and there's no comeback. So if he said, you're ugly, I'd say, yeah, you're, and then he can't do anything.
You can't say shit after that.
You can't say shit.
You might be able to say yeah, you're again, but that's no.
No.
First,
That's
yeah,
never happened. If I say yeah, you're, and then you say you're yeah, then I'm double fucked. If I try to come back at you and you you're yeah. That's the kind of shit we've had in the past. But yeah,
and that is a very efficient way to sting someone else.
very efficient.
Quick comeback.
It hurts. It hurts. If I've ever said yeah, you're, and he's hit me back with the you're yeah, I can't say anything. It's over. He's won that one.
Yeah, I bring home that trophy. That's our slang, boys and girls.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
But we have a lot more.
We have a lot more, but some of these are our own, like, yeah, you're, yeah, no.
Well,
Water.
those are bangers to end off with. And bangers is obviously it's a banger.
Yeah.
This is a banger. ɡaf-haus is a banger.
ɡaf-haus is a banger. Songs can be bangers.
Songs are bangers.
Yeah. Jokes can be bangers.
Yeah.
Anything that you like a lot can be a banger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Bang.
It bangs.
Yeah.
ɡaf-haus bangs.
It does.
Well, not really. It doesn't bang views, but
It will.
hopefully soon it bangs views.
Anything else?
So unnecessarily long podcast.
Perfectly.